Are you tired of your pool tile looking like this, all that calcium deposits and everything, and then you go get a bid and, they want you to drain your pool, and then they come in here with soda ash and or glass beads or whatever, and they want to blast it clean. Then you got to end up draining your pool and cleaning all that crap out. Well, I got a better way. Instead of the soda ash and the sandblasting and cleaning the pool out, this is what you need. Get you a file, a couple of putty knives, right? I got one that flexes pretty good and a nice stiff one. What you want to do is you want to make sure that this has a nice flat edge on it. So you want to file this thing down to where it's got a nice edge on it. You want it nice and square. And you just take the putty knife, voila, clean as a whistle. It'll give you something to do because you ain't doing shit today anyway, because you're on YouTube.